Power off the controller, and disconnect all the cables. Unscrew 3 screws at the bottom, and 1 at the right side of case. Separate the upper case, and remove the keypad flat cable. Unscrew 4 screws on the LCD PCB. Be careful, there is a flat cable underneath the PCB. Pull the black latch up for loosening the flat cable. Disconnect it before dividing the LCD board from main board. Replace a new LCD part. Reconnect the LCD flat cable to J5. Push the black latch down to fasten the flat cable. Mount the 4 screws to fix the LCD part. Plug in the keypad cable to J3. Assemble the controller back. Mount in 1 the right side of case, and the 3 screws at the bottom. Well done!